Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the EM Trader. So you can see that what happened yesterday, open flat, a big bullish candle is maker. Then after this is the green candle. After one candle is green maker. So at that time you have to buy and your SL will be here. But it not making a green candle and it making a red candle and it not crosses its high. After that it taken support from here only. You can see that if you have buyed here or somewhere, you have got first target this is the your first target. Then after that you can see that this is the very bullish candle because no wick is here. So you can see that after this crossing you have to buy here. This candle is your buying candle and your SL will be up to here also. Okay guys, or you are playing safe, so your SL will be here. You can see that how nicely it making your very nice momentum in Dow Jones. Okay guys, we can see in Nasdaq. You can see that what happened, it make taken a one green candle. Then after that sorry guys, um, after that it comes back, very bearish candle is maker. Then after that it come back. You can see that from here only, if it will comes, then it taken a here support, then you can go for your first target. You can see that slightly below it is closed, but you can see that after consolidating, you can see that here one of the major trend line is here. You can see that this is the one of the major. However, this is break. You can see that your SL will be here. Now you can see that how nicely it taken upside, and you can see that this is acting as a very strong resistance area. Okay guys, now we can see in SPX. You can see that in SPX two very big candle is making. Here is, I have told you, resistance. This is taken resistance once again. From here only taken support, continuously consolidate. Then you can see that one of the trend line is making here. You can see that I have draw it. This is the you have to buy here and your SL will be here. You can see that how nicely it taken you your first target up till here. Okay, you have got 1:2 or 1:3 risk to reward here, and here also you can uh, sell here or something. You have got very nice momentum within 5 minutes, or you can buy it here. So you have seen that very volatile market. You have anywhere you have booked, so you have got very nice momentum. Okay guys, we can see in BKX. BKX, it opens a gap up one slightly. Then after that it continuously taken a rally. Now it is taking a pause, but we can see that it is making one of the here if it will cross, you got very nice momentum up till here to here. Okay guys, from now we can see in HGX. You can see that it taken a resistance from here only. Okay, your first target. Then it again come and taken a resistance. After this swing low, it crosses, you have to buy. Okay, you have got very nice momentum in HGX also. Okay, housing sector, you have the sell here also, you have buy put here also. You have got very nice momentum in HGX housing sector. You can trade this, so you have made a such a nice money. You don't have to trade all the index. You have to take one which is dominated, and you have to trade that, because you have so many 5 to 6 tradable index. So you have to take only one, and if it will act like that, so you have to trade in this and make a money. Okay guys, we can see in EDX it taken a very big gap down. Okay, you can see that very big gap down. After this it opens here only, it taken bearish candle. Once again bearish dominated, but here only bearish seller is very much dominated. Then it taken a downside and consolidated and closed right now. Okay yes, in SOX you can see that I have told you this is the one of the major uh, line. If it will break, it give you very nice momentum. You can see that this momentum we have been captured. If you can see that within 5 minutes how much big candle is this is making. Then after that, here you can see that this only area it taken a red candle. If you have just this is crossed, you have to your SL will be here and you have buyed here somewhere. So you have got very nice momentum up till here. This is the one of the area which is act as support, because this act as resistance. Now it acts as support exactly here, touches, and then make a very nice move. Hope you have at least capture one move also up till here to here or here to here. You have captured your momentum within a half an hour. You have got this momentum. Within 1 hour you have seated this momentum also you have got. So you have two nice trading index you have got. So if you have traded, please comment if you know what is the logic. Once again I have tell you, or you don't getting what I am telling, so I will make separate video so you have can ask me. Okay guys, you can see that what happened on that day. It opened flat. Okay, it opened flat, gone, taken a resistance. You can see that here, taken a resistance after this crossing. You can see that after this crossed, you have to buy. Your SL will be here. You can see that within 10 minutes you got very nice momentum. Within 10 minutes you got very nice momentum. After this, here buyer is dominated, take an upside, then consolidate continuously, then it make a move up till here. Okay guys, this is also one of the trend line. What I am saying is that you can see that here is the one of the major trend line. If this is crossed, you have to buy, and you can sit relax. This is your SL, and you have got very nice momentum in Russell 3000 also. In Tesla, you can see that how nicely it making us very nice 13% move. You can see that I don't think that it will sustain, but it sustained and also make 10% its opening, but after that 3 to 4% it also rises. So what I am seeing that I have told you also, this is the one of the major supporting lines. Okay guys, after this will break, it will give you very nice momentum, but if it will break from here, it will give you very nice momentum. But what happened, gap up open and it continuously going up. So what I can see is that it doesn't fill this gap, so it has to fill this gap. So it will take a time and fill this gap. So don't buy in equity please. So you can got from here also, because it is taken a gap, so it has to fill this gap. Okay guys, now we can see how today Dow Jones can behave or goes somewhere. Okay guys, you can see that this is the one of the sorry guys, you can see that this is the one of the supporting. So like we can see where Dow Jones will move today. Okay guys, so what happened is this is the one of the resistance area, so I will put it as a resistance. Now once again this will act as a one of the major resistance. Okay guys, so I will just do it. Okay, this will act as a support. Now we can see that how it will goes. If it open flat or something, it is your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, if it opens a gap down or something, it will touches and it will goes up till here. First target will be this, second target, and you can continue in upside. Okay guys, in downside also we can see that after this will break or some gap down, after this it will take a resistance from here or somewhere here. Okay guys, it will take, you can safely go for this target. Your next target will be this. Okay guys, and next target will be this. Up till here you can take it. Okay guys, once again guys, once again I will draw it for you. Okay, now it will take a resistance from here. Your first target, second target, third target and fourth target. These are the targets. Okay guys, in Nasdaq we can see then in Nasdaq 100 index this is the one of the major resistance area. So after that, if it will break, so it will act as our next targeting areas. Okay guys, so in downside also we can talk it. Here is one of the major resistance area. If it will come down, your first target will be this. Okay guys, and then you can take up till here. Once again guys, once again I will draw it. This is the, if it will take 1 second resistance, your next target, this and this. Okay guys, I will just shift this line. Okay, you can see that this is the one of the major resistance, and this is the major supporting areas now, because yesterday it taken a very much uh, time to cross it, but it doesn't cross. But today it will take a flat or gap up, then it take support here only and continues its rally once again in upside. Okay guys, in XPX we can see that in XPX this is the one of the major supporting areas. Now it is continuously taking support. So I have told you also that it will eventually SPX 500 index, I think so that it will reaches 5000. Okay guys, so this is the one of the upside momentum. Now you can see that if it take resistance from here, your first target, second target and third target, these three target you can go for it. Okay guys, now we can see in next index BKX. I have told you if it will cross this line, you have got very nice momentum, because it is making pole and flag pattern. So you can at least, whenever it will breaks or take support, your first target, second target, third target, you can continuously go also in upside. Okay guys, if it will act as a resistance from here only, then your first target, second target, third target and fourth target. Okay guys, we can see in HGX. Okay guys, in HGX this act as a one of the resistance area. Okay guys, and this also. So now what we can do is to, we can see that this will act as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, so I will make this one too. So in upside, we can see in upside if it open flat or something. Once again, okay, if it open a flat or something, then you can go for this, it taken a support, then your first target. If it flow in flow, it opens and taken support here, your first target, your second target, your third target and fourth target. Okay guys, it will be maybe a sideways because it making a very big move. So after this it will maybe take a pause and take a sideways momentum. If it will take a resistance from here, your first target, your second target and your third target, these three target you can go for. Okay, in AUX, you can go for it, that this is the one of the major resistance area, supporting area now. Okay guys, so if it will come here somewhere, so you can see that what happened. Okay, here if it will open gap down or something, it taken support, your first target, second target, third target and your fourth target. These four target you can go for. Okay guys, if it open flats also, then you can go for this target too. Okay guys, in downside also we can see some areas. If it will take resistance from here, your first target will be here, second target. Okay guys, you can capture here also. If it breaking this line, then your first target will be here, then second target and third target. Okay guys, in SOX we can see that in SOX it is making a very nice momentum. So we can see that this is the one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, and this is the one of the major uh, supporting areas. Okay guys, if it open flat or open a gap up, okay guys, then you can go for it. Okay guys, from here once again, okay, from here it opens a gap up or something, it taken support, your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, if it will take a here, from here it take a resistance, then it will act as a support, because it is taking continuously a resistance, so it will act as support, then come and take support, then you can go for your these target upside. In downside also we can see that what happened, if it open flat, then it take from here only resistance, your first target will be here, second target and your third target. These three target you can go it for. Okay guys, in Russell 3000, what we can see in Russell 3000 is it is in the major resistance area. So if it will act as a sorry guys, if it will act as a resistance, then we can see. But if it act as supporting areas now, So it open a slightly gap up or something, it can support your first target, second target and third target. If it opens a flat or something or taken a resistance, you can go for these target. Okay guys, in downside, one second. Okay, you can take these target in downside. Okay guys, so in Tesla also what I am seeing is that if it will open flat or somewhere here, it taken resistance, then your first target will be a second target, and one gap up also is pending. So we cannot say if it slightly open gap down, slightly open flat or gap down, then your first target, here is your second target, this is your major third target. These three target you can go it for. Okay guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.